Hi everyone, my name is Sarper Horata and welcome to my course, Creating Project Contingencies. I'm a computer scientist, an ex-developer and currently working as a product manager. Risk management is a crucial part of all types of projects, and USM is a practical tool for quantifying risks. In this course, we will look at the risk management processes and how to apply USM to a project's risk register, schedule, and budget planning. Some of the major topics that we cover include Introduction to Risk and Risk Management, Application to Unified Scheduling Method, Examining Project Risk with Monte Carlo Simulation, and Comparison of these two techniques. By the end of this course, you will know the basics of risk management and will be able to use Unified Scheduling Model to project schedule and budget estimation. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of probability context. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn developing contingencies, creating Project Contingencies course at Pluralsight.